you hear that? That is the sound of a spun bearing in one of the cylinders. I have no idea where it is, but that's bad. That's a Subaru, a 2009 WRX. Nah, I'm just playing. It's not a WRX. It's an Impreza 2.5i EJ253. And I think I'm gonna build it. I think I'm not gonna go for a WRX or an STI. I think I wanna see what the hell this could do. But we gotta get rid of that noise first. We have a second engine that has the same issue. A lot of knock. Oh, wrong way. But it does have a lot of knock, not as bad as that one. But this one sounds healthier, so I'll build this one. Let's see what we can do. Let's do it a little different. Let's not do these engine swaps, at least with the Subaru. Let's see what we can pull out of this one, because the car isn't in bad shape. All right, guys and gals, till next time, peace.